The weather is getting really cold. Time for warm soup. Today I'm going to cook a very healthy soup with chicken and radish. Radish is vegetable boosting our immune system. Therefore, it's a really good time for cooking radish. First, put ginger and spring onion slices into boiling water. Add chicken meat inside. Also add in cooking wine. Cook the chicken meat for maximum 3 minutes. Prepare wok with cold water. Put back the cooked chicken meat. Add in few slices of long spring onion. Put the top on till it's boiling. Put the cutted radish and potato into the boiled soup. The size of the potato and the radish should be around 2 to 3 cm wide. And then add in light soy sauce 2 teaspoons. Put the top until it's boiling again. Turn the stove into lower medium level. Let it cook for around 20 to 30 minutes. Use around 3 grams of onion, cut into very small slices. 5 minutes before the soup is ready, put into the soup. Stir well. This step is to lighten up the flavor of the soup so that it tastes really fresh and natural. The radish and chicken soup is typical soup, very good for autumn season. Apart from that radish is boosting up your immune system, this soup is very good for digestion. Therefore, I highly recommend you to cook this soup when the weather is getting cold, when you miss this warm, cozy feeling. Chicken and radish soup is the best option for you. Remember, the last step is to put a pinch of salt in, around 2 teaspoons, into the soup. Do not put the salt too early. This is because if you put salt too early, the meat will taste a bit hard. Now it's time to enjoy my soup. See you next time. Bye.